Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the external drive has ample free space and is formatted for your computer. Connect the drive to your Mac or PC, then plug your iPhone into the computer with a reliable cable. Unlock the iPhone and tap Trust. This authorizes backups. Once done, open Finder on Mac OS Catalina or later, or open iTunes on Windows or older Mac OS. Make sure the computer recognizes the phone. If it doesn't, update drivers or reboot before continuing. Now create a local backup so you can copy it to the external drive. In Finder or iTunes, select your iPhone, then choose Backups and pick this computer. Check Encrypt Backup if you need passwords and health data preserved. Click Backup Now and watch the progress bar. Large backups take time. Make sure the computer stays awake and avoid disconnecting the phone. Once the backup finishes, locate the backup folder. On Mac OS, it's in ~library/application support/mobile-sync/backup. And on Windows, it's in app. Finish by moving the backup to the external drive and optionally redirect future backups there. Copy the backup folder to the external drive and confirm size and timestamp match the original. To keep backing up directly to the drive, create a symbolic link from the original backup path to the folder on the external drive. This makes Finder or iTunes write to the external location automatically. If you hit errors, check file permissions. Ensure the drive uses a compatible format or free up space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.